Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. My name is Remy Cardenas. So, my assigned topic is all about air pollution. So, the content is the definition of air pollution, types of air pollution, which is primary pollutants and secondary pollutants, the source of air pollution, which is anthropogenic source or man-made and natural source, then cause of air pollution, then effect of air pollution on human body, animals, and materials, then the solution of air pollution. So, what is air? Air is a precious resource that most of us take for granted. Air supplies us with oxygen, which is essential to our body lives. Without it, we would die within minutes. Air contains important substances such as oxygen, nitrogen, and most species need to survive. Nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 20.95%, carbon dioxide and other gases 0.03%, inert gases 0.93%, water vapor 1%. What is air pollution? Air pollution is a contamination of indoor or outdoor environment by any chemical, physical, or biological agent that modifies the natural characteristics of the atmosphere. It particulates biological molecules or harmful materials into the Earth's atmosphere, causing disease, death to humans, damage of other living organisms such as animals, food crops, and the natural or built environment. There are 4 examples of air pollution, which is the burning fossil fuels, volcanic eruption, vehicles, and burning sugarcane. There are 2 types of air pollution, which is the primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. When we say primary pollutants, this is a pollutants that are formed and emitted directly to the particular area. For example is carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur oxide. When we say secondary pollutants, this is the pollutants that are formed in the lower atmosphere or chemical reaction.
So let's proceed to the primary air pollutants. Primary air pollutants is an air pollutant emitted from a source directly into the atmosphere. The source can be either a natural process such as sandstorms and volcanic eruptions, or anthropogenic, such as industrial and vehicle emissions. So there are 5 primary air pollutants. First is carbon monoxide, second is nitrogen oxide, the third is sulfur dioxides, fourth is volatile organic compounds, and the fifth is particulate matter. This is sulfur dioxides. This is pungent smell. The primary source is burning fossil fuels, power plants, refineries, smelters, volcanic activity. The effect of sulfur dioxide is contributes to acid rain, harm plants, irritate respiratory system. Next is nitrogen oxide. Can be yellowish gas or forms undergo high temps. The effects of nitrogen oxide is makes body vulnerable to respiratory disease and cancer. The primary source of carbon monoxide is vehicles, industrial processes. And the effect is blood can carry oxygen, feel sleepy and disoriented, and can cause death.
Volatile organic compounds, organic chemicals vaporize readily, form toxic fumes. Primary source, vehicles like cars, trucks, and buses. Burning fossil fuels. Effect, contribute to smog formation, harm plants, linked to cancer. particulate matter, tiny pieces of liquid or solid matter, primary source, construction, agriculture, forestry, and fires, vehicles, power plants, and industrial processes. Effect: form clouds and reduce visibility linked to cancer. Secondary pollutants is an air pollutant formed in the atmosphere as a result of the chemical or the physical interactions between the primary pollutants themselves or between the primary pollutants and other atmosphere components. Example: photochemical oxidants and secondary particulate matter. Ground level ozone. It is also an important constituent of certain regions of the stratosphere, commonly known as the ozone layer. Photochemical and chemical reactions involving it drive many of the chemical processes that occur in the atmosphere by day and by night. Sources: these are various locations, activities, or factors which are responsible for releasing pollutants into the atmosphere. These sources can be classified into two major categories. First, anthropogenic, man-made sources. Second, natural sources.
There are some major sources of pollutions. First is burning of fossil fuels. Sulfur dioxide emitted from the combustion of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and other factory combustibles of pollution. Pollution emitted from vehicles including trucks, jeeps, cars, trains, airplanes, cause immense amount of pollution. Second is agricultural activities. Ammonia is very common with product from agriculture-related activities and is one of the most hazardous gases in the atmosphere. Use of insecticides, pesticides, and fertilizers in agricultural activities has grown quite a lot. They emit harmful chemicals into the air and can also cause water pollution. Third is mining operation. Mining is a process wherein minerals below the earth are extracted using large equipments. During the process, dust and chemicals are released in the air, causing massive air pollution. Last and fourth is indoor air pollution. Household cleaning products, painting supplies emit toxic chemicals in the air and cause air.
Effect of air pollution on human health. They are known to create several respiratory and heart conditions, along with cancer, among other threats to the body. Air pollution causes following diseases in human body: cystic fibrosis, lung disease, cancer, and difficulty in breathing. Effect of air pollution on materials. It causes cracks, fading on pointed surface. Effect of air pollution on animals. Toxic chemicals present in the air can force wildlife species to move to new place. Solution for air pollution: use public mode of transportation, conserve energy, and last, understand the concept of reduce, reuse, and recycle.